Welcome to another video. Ever wonder how you can heal your chakras by just the foods you eat? By becoming more aware of what foods and food types we put on our plate. We can heal our chakras by watching what we eat. So let's talk about how you choose the best foods to heal each chakra. First, you have to know where you are and where you're going. First step is to see which chakras need working on. If you need help on knowing which chakras need more work, you can watch our 7 chakras video, which explains what each chakra does, and signs to know if they are blocked. We'll make sure we put the link in the description. So, the first way to heal your chakras with food, is eating foods that are the color of each chakra. Just having different color foods on your plate can not only change your mood, but it can also balance your chakras from just the sight of the colors. So we have 7 chakras, which means there's 7 different colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, which is also known to be white. The second way to heal your chakras with food, is by eating food types related to each chakra. The root chakra is about strength and stability. So the root chakra food type is protein. So if you want to strengthen your root chakra, go for more reds, and go for protein. The next chakra is the Sacral Chakra, which food type is liquid. For the water chakra. So with the Sacral Chakra, you should drink more of your food in liquid, like a smoothie, instead of eating your foods. Also fresh juices, and juicing. So remember, to boost the sacral, think liquids. The next chakra, is the solar plexus, which is where we get our energy. It also helps us to digest our food. The solar plexus chakra food type is carbohydrates. So if you have trouble with grains and carbohydrates, you might have a weak solar plexus. Next is the heart chakra. This chakra food type is vegetables. Green for green. Veggies are what open your heart. Next, the throat chakra, which food type is fruits. So veggies for the heart, and fruits for the throat. Amazing, right? Now, going into the upper chakras, the third eye chakra. With this chakra, it's not really about what you eat, but what you see. AKA the presentation. Since the third chakra is a visionary chakra, it's all about how you see the beauty and presentation of the food. Now going into the crown chakra. The crown chakra is more like the third eye chakra, it's more beyond the food. The crown chakra has no food type. The crown chakra is more about fasting. Way number 3 is to eat foods that heal the related glands. We will do a quick rundown on these, to point you in the right direction, if you want to look up more information on your own. The root chakra glands is related to the testes and the male testosterone hormones. The sacral chakra glands is related to the ovaries and the feminine hormone estrogen. The solar plexus chakra gland is related to the adrenals and pancreas. So things that are good for the adrenals and pancreas, will be good for the solar plexus. Next, the heart chakra gland. The heart is an organ, and a gland. So for the heart chakra, go toward foods for the heart and thymus. So next is the throat chakra gland. This is related to the thyroid. The thyroid deals with your whole body's metabolism. Next, the third eye, which is related to the pineal. And for the crown, that would be the pituitary and hypothalamus, which are the glands for the crown. So let's do a quick rundown. So far, we've learned that their colors, food types, and foods that stimulate and help the glands and the hormones that come from some of those glands that are beneficial for each chakra. Also remember, you should not be having food with shelf life in them, because food is supposed to move through our bodies. So when it doesn't, and it has a lot of preservatives in it, it can throw us chemically off balance. Watch for hydrogenated oils and high fructose corn syrup, which are 2 that you should avoid as much as possible. Along with all preservatives, because they can get stuck in our body, because they're not natural, and our body doesn't know how to process them. So if you can, eat natural, and organic. So, healing your chakras with foods are pretty easy. With the root chakra, you can eat things like beets, parsnip, apples, pomegranate, and protein. With the sacral chakra, you can eat things like seeds, nuts, oranges, carrots, and pumpkins. The solar chakra will become open if you eat things like yellow peppers, yellow squash, and bananas. Also oats. With the heart chakra, eating things like broccoli, kale, chard, and pretty much all leafy greens. The throat chakra will need more blueberries, blue raspberries, figs, and kelp. Now, for the third eye chakra, you can eat blueberries, plums, and purple grapes. And for the last, and seventh chakra, you will need a lot of fresh air, sunlight, and nature. So, those are just some examples of some of the foods you can eat to balance your chakras. But there's a lot more out there. There are also other ways you can balance your chakras. For example, with clothing, your surroundings, affirmations, meditation, essential oils, crystals, and visualization. But we will talk about those in another video, in the future. If you liked the vid, and learned something new today, about how foods can help your blocked chakras, please like, and subscribe, to know when we put more great videos up like this. It will also help the channel grow. Also, check out some of our other vids, to help you learn more about chakras. We also have guided meditation vids, to help you relax. Just think of us as your one-stop shop, for everything chakra related. Thanks for watching, we send you love, and blessings.